Go, baby. Welcome. We're gonna dive straight in. First, you know what it is. Yeah, I'm saying. Prices on the go. 12-hour time frame. Boom, boom. You got this. You can say tweezer top, however you want to say, bears and golfing. Call it what you will. You know what I mean? But as you can see, retracement trend line got disrespected, coming up, retesting it, and we shall see more downside. You feel me? For sure. Yeah, you feel me? The main price right there. Feel me? This line right here was the open of that daily candle, and like I said, price closed above it, so took that off. But there you have it, baby. Yeah, I say more. But look, man, we're gonna tap right on in, right? So we know previously this where price was at, right? And this was that screenshot. This was that red snipe zone on that screenshot, and yeah. So now this is where price is currently at. Came up into there. Boom. Continuation. Coming into, see, remember the weekly time frame, the retracement trend line. This expansion broke above and closed above the retracement trend line. Price just sold after coming into this high. These equal monthly highs, respecting this level. And also on the monthly time frame, as you can see, price came into those monthly equal highs and showed respect. You know what I mean? At this monthly level, these equal highs and this weekly high, price showed respect and gave us a bearish engulfing, closing back below these equal highs also. And then, as you can see, internal retracement, boom, wow, retracement trend line, price retested it, boom, continued down, another retracement. Look, price came up, retested the equal highs that price sold back below, as you can see, boom, and continued on, and then coming into this snipe zone, showing respect here after hitting that resistance, and now price is right now, you can say, an internal retracement, or you're looking at, we know price, sold, bought and closed above this retracement trend line, and coming back into this retracement trend line could be what? the retest of this retracement trend line for a continuation to the upside. You know what I mean? But we know to determine what price is doing right here in this weekly price action, we look at the daily and look at what, same thing, price action and market structure. So now with this we got the breaker structure on the daily time frame, the bullish breaker structure, which just gave us this daily bearish structure. The price bought and sold here, creating a lower low, creating this expansion, and now price is giving a internal retracement inside of this bearish daily candle here. So measuring this impulsive move here, right? And this is the snipe zone of this impulsive move. And we're just analyzing what price is doing here at this level, right? Remember, even with this swing to swing, retracement, this is the retracement trend line for this move, and then continuation. And now price is into the retracement trend line of the weekly time frame. And you see what type of price action we are encountering here. Now, let's see what type of price action for what type of price action we are encountering on the 12-hour to determine what price is doing here on this daily time frame in this daily price action. So looking at this 12-hour price action, we got this. This was the bullish price action for that bullish retracement. This is that bullish retracement trend line, as you can see on the 12-hour here, bullish internal, boom, and then price sold. This is where we was at previously with my recent video, even with the clip that I just showed. This tweezer top, right, and then price that Monday got this after the weekend. Remember, this was produced over the weekend, and like I said, over the weekend, price, does things more unorthodox than it would throughout the week. So when the week started, price pushed up, and that's when price pushed up into those weekly equal highs, right? And that price closed back below, and then we got this push down. And with that, got this push all the way down to what? The weekly retracement trend line. And like I said, looking at, understanding price action, this could be the retest of that weekly retracement trend line. But again, that's why we're zooming in. We zoomed into the daily to see what price action we were encountering after coming into this level. And now we're on the 12-hour to see what type of price action we are encountering. Like even on a deeper level, even after seeing the daily, we analyze the daily time frame, seeing when it's doing, given that internal retracement, possible reversal. You always have this in your mind. And now we're looking on a 12-hour, and we see price is what? Encountering an internal retracement inside of this bearish 12-hour candle. Price has already came up and encountered the open of this bearish candle and this retracement trend line and printing a shooting star. Now price is up above this the structure level, or the open of this 12-hour bearish candle, and up into and above this retracement trend line. Now, based on what price did previously after coming into this level, the retracement trend line, and the open of this 12-hour bearish candle, price showed respect by printing this shooting star after encountering this significant level on this time frame. So, with what price did, I will be anticipating another bearish push, right? We should see another push to the downside based on what price did coming into this level of significance, right? And again, what's on my mind also, this retracement trend line on the weekly time frame, price has come into that. But again, this is a weekly level, and we still have about 2 days, a day and 18 hours, so about 2 days for the weekly candle to close, to see if price is showing respect to this level or disrespecting this level on the weekly time frame. So yes, this is a weekly level, and based on, well, this is a weekly level, so you know, uh, the answer of respect or disrespect comes at the close of the week, or the close of the candle, after coming into um, contact with a significant level. So we, you know, will determine if price is respecting or disrespecting this level at the end of the week. But currently, inside of, and seeing what price is encountering after coming into this level on the daily and the 12-hour, we see what price is doing, and we just go from there. It's all about reading the candles, because the candles tell you everything. So just read the candles, um, understand what price is doing, price action, and market structure. You know what I'm saying? Ultimately, that's what I'm saying. Possible reversal, because we know what this level is and what price does um, when coming into this level. So we know this was the retracement trend line, and we know price broke and closed above it, and this could possibly be the retest of that level for a continuation to the upside if price show respect here. You know what I mean? So that's how we looking at it. That's how we read price action. And there we go, baby. You heard it here first. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader, I on.